him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the build reveal for the month of August, and then voting for the month of September for the subscriber's choice. And last month, or not last month, a couple weeks ago, put up for vote these three cars. We picked that GTO the last time, added in the F100, and the voting this, guys, for this time, and the voting for this time, guys, the Charger had one vote, and the other two was closer than I thought. I thought it was a runaway for the T-Bird, and the F100 came in a close second. So the F100 got 4 votes and the T-Bird got 5. And one person voted on the wrong video. So I couldn't count that vote, but if it would have came into a tiebreaker, then I probably would have counted that vote. So Morton, if you're watching this one, be sure to vote on the voting videos. Okay, appreciate you, brother. Thanks for watching that other one. I was just describing what it is. Now, that being said, so we're going to build the T-Bird this time, and I do have an idea for it, and somebody came close to it, but we'll wait till the video to find out what it is. So what we're going to add in for the voting this time is a Hot Wheels Cadillac Seville. So for the build for September, put F100 in the comments, or Caddy, or Charger. Only say the one you want built. And guys, we're over 400 subs, so if we can get to 1,000, then I'll just turn this into a poll instead of doing a separate video for it. And I don't know how soon we'll get there, but, you know, let's get to 500 first. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out my Patreon, would you? I'd really appreciate it. Think next year we're going to switch this up and make the subscriber's choice giveaways for my Patreon. So go over there and check that out, will you? I'd really appreciate it. Also on Instagram, you can follow me on there and see pictures of my completed builds. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, click the like button, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.